Hey guys, so this is the entree that I cooked for my parents' 25th anniversary a while back, and so I made chicken and spinach fettuccine Alfredo. I'm going to fill my pot halfway with water, and then I'm going to put it on the stove to boil. Once the water is boiling, I'm going to pour my pasta in, and I'm going to cook it for about 9 to 11 minutes, and I'll be stirring occasionally. After the pasta is done cooking, I'll be straining it. Once all the water was strained out, I'm going to pour all my pasta into a pan. Now I'm going to pour in the Alfredo sauce and mix it in. Now I'll be taking half a bag of spinach and putting it into a strainer, and then I'll be washing the spinach and then drying it with a paper towel. Now I put my spinach in a pan and I'm adding some oil and some black pepper. When the spinach is almost done cooking, I'm going to transfer it into the fettuccine Alfredo mixture, and I'm going to mix it all up and cook it all together. Now I'm going to take some panko crusted chicken and cook them in this oven, and it'll be for 25 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. When those are done cooking, I'm going to cut them up into slices. So to serve, you just want to place the pasta at the bottom and then layer the chicken on top. And if you haven't seen the appetizer that I made my parents, which were the broccoli and pepper jack cheese biscuits, I'll link the video down below so you can check it out.